Oh, no. We're late. Wake up, Lily. We're late.
I'm so sleepy. We played games too late last night.
Run faster! We are almost late. Let's just cross.
Stop! The light is red. That was very dangerous.
I understand. No crossing on red.
Now it's safe, Mia said, and they crossed together carefully.
You are 10 minutes late. Henry, why were you late? Henry, are you with us?
I want to sleep. I'm tired too.
You're home, kids. Wash your hands and have a snack.
Drink some milk, kids. Do you remember this morning?
Yes, Dad. No more late games. Goodbye, game console.
Going to bed early is good for you. Good night, children.